Hello guys, good afternoon. How are you all? Today we are going to learn and we are going to see how the traffic management system is going to operate. And here we have shown practically with the help of Arduino board. Here we have used nearly three LEDs. One is green LED, one is red LED, and two blue LEDs are there. Since we don't have yellow color LEDs, so we are using blue color LEDs. So basically what we are doing is, so when one side red LED is turned on, the other side's green LED is turned on. So it is vice and versa. So whenever the LED of red LED starts from this side, the green LED must start from the other side. So in between these two LEDs must stop for nearly 5 seconds. Generally, what happens in a traffic management system? Uh, when the green signal appears on the traffic road, at that time, uh, before turning on the green signal, or before turning on the red signal, we see the orange signal. So similarly, in this case, we are using blue color LEDs to show the pause kind of action to the people. So just we are demonstrating with the help of the blue color LEDs. So now we are connecting all these things to the Arduino board, and then Arduino board is connected to the USB. So basically, we are doing the same thing, turning off and turning on LED, the basic skeleton or syntax or the circuit that we studied yesterday in turning on LED on and off. So the same thing we are using, the same principle we are using over here. So now what we are doing here is, so basically we have used nearly three ports on the digital section, three pins on the digital section, and one grounded pin we have used. But basically we need to use three grounded pin or nearly six. But we have combined it on the breadboard, and we have taken only one wire over here, which is there. Okay, oh, just wait. Ah, yeah, now it's okay. So now one so now what we where I was grounded with the help of resistors to this, to the power section. Okay, now what exactly we are doing here in code is, here we are declaring six variables: led r1, led g2, led y1, and y2, r2, and g1. Okay, so basically we are initializing the global variables, and after that, to run the code once, we are using pin mode function, and inside that we are connecting to the output, so particular to the particular pin. Okay, now if we see the green, the red, the r1 and g2, r1 and sorry r1 and g2 are connected, r1 and g2 are connected to the same pin, fifth pin on the digital section, and uh, R2 and G1, R2 and G1 are connected to the seventh pin, which is over here on the digital section, and Y1 and Y2 is connected to the fourth pin on the digital section of Arduino. So here we are connected. Now we are going for the loop section. In loop section, what we are doing is, here whenever the LED R1, LED of one side, LED of one side, a red LED and green LED of one side is turned on over here, which we where we are saying high. So when I say high, it means there is existence of the current. So here I am saying two LEDs are on, red and green of one side, and all other LEDs like Y1, Y2, like orange LEDs, they are turned off. Here also R2 and G1, other side LEDs, which is green and red, that is turned off. So similarly, vice versa. Before that, we are doing a delay of 10,000 microseconds. So 10,000 microsecond means 10 seconds. So this is the delay that we are giving. Means like from one side, the traffic the people has to stop for nearly 10 seconds. Now we will go for the next section. Now we see, after that, after doing this, what we are exactly doing, we are turning off the red light, green light of both the ends, from this side and from this side, from both the ends we are turning off. Only we are turning on the orange color from both the ends. So when I'm turning on, it means what? High. High means HIGH. High means there is a existence of a current. So now we are delaying it for 3000 microseconds. 3000 microseconds means what? For 3 seconds we are turning on the orange light, and all the lights which are there from both the traffic poles, they are turned off for nearly 3 seconds to make it a, to give a pause, or to make it a pause. Now at the end here, if you see, here we did R1 and G2 high, R1 and G2 high. If you see here, we did R1 and G2 high, and G2, R2 and G1 low. Here what we are doing, here we are doing LED R1 and G2 low, and R2 and G1 high. It means what? The other end of the traffic, now we have made R2 high. R2 should, the red LED must turn on, and green LED must be turned on. So this is how we are doing the traffic management, and then it is delayed for nearly 10,000 microseconds. So 10,000 microseconds means 10 seconds. So this is all about the traffic management system with the help of Arduino. Guys, I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Please share please share this video with you. Please give a thumbs up and like, share, and